Ito doon, pinipicture po nila, tapos pinapost
Dito
ko.
yan, sabi ni okay.
Sa, ito din po sa Bologna.
The number one daw, ha?
Wow.
Yes,
Bologna, parang
Sarap
sausage,
talaga.
no? Charot. Okay, so we'll entertain more questions. We are...
At sa akin, habang tumatagal pasikat kayo ng pasikat, pero gaano katindi yung, of course, yung pressure, yung, syempre, kumbaga, hindi lang sa telebisyon, pati sa mga pelikula nyo, nag-i-hit ang mga movies nyo. So, parang, gaano nyo tinitake? Kumbaga, nagiging hard on yourself ba kayo pagdating sa pag-arte, pagdating sa inilalabas nyo sa camera?
Siyempre. Oo po. I mean, I try to not think about it kaya sinasabi ko, huwag mo na isipin, just enjoy kasi anong experience namin sa Forevermore po. When we were shooting sa Baguio, wala kaming signal, we didn't have any cell phones. Shoot lang kami ng shoot and then couple months after sinabi nila na, ay, ang lakas ng Forevermore. We didn't even know about. So siguro nakita nila yung closest time, we didn't have cell phones. So yung buong cast, kwentuhan lang. So siguro the bonding na nangyari without thinking about anything. We were far from ABS, from the people, just in the mountains. It made us forget about everything. So we didn't have to try. We just it came out so naturally siguro. And I think that's what people. Ano yung chemistry niyo? What's your secret? Feeling ko the secret to no chemistry is having no chemistry at well, not even trying to have any chemistry. It just comes naturally. So, yun ang na-realize. So, parang try not to think about it. Just enjoy it. I mean, it's hard not to, to be hard on yourself. Pero minsan ganun eh. The more you think about it, halatang you're trying hard. Just believe in yourself, enjoy, and people will see that.
Parang nagwo-worry ka rin ba doon sa sasabihin ng mga tao, ng mga manonood?
Yes, syempre, minsan sa success ng Forevermore, of course, you're gonna expect na yung Dolce Amore, karon din. I mean, you can't, please everybody, but you try your best. So, sinasabi ko lang, basta pag mag-enjoy tayo, syempre, the people will see it, at sila na mag-enjoy. So, pag nawala yung essence ng enjoyment, wala na.
Yeah. Taisa.
Ako po, kapaliktad niya, I tend to